Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars in automotive history, the 2024 Ford Mustang. Bold, aggressive, and performance-driven, this latest model is more than just a car, it's a statement. So let us explore what makes the 2024 Mustang such a thrilling ride. The design of the 2024 Mustang speaks the language of power. Up front, you get a wider, more menacing grille, sleeker LED headlights, and an aggressive front splitter. The body is sculpted with aerodynamics in mind, muscular curves, sharp lines, and a fast back roofline that gives it a dynamic stance even when it's standing still. At the rear, the signature tri-bar LED tail lights remain, with a more aggressive diffuser and dual or quad exhaust setup depending on the trim. Under the hood, the Mustang still brings the heat. You have two main engine options, a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder delivering impressive power and fuel efficiency. And for the true muscle car lovers, a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine that roars with up to 480 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. You can pair this beast with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic, depending on how raw you want the experience. With 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds, it's not just muscle, it's performance refined. Step inside the 2024 Mustang and you'll find a cockpit built for the future. There's a large 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch infotainment screen, both customizable and powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system. The cabin uses premium materials, sporty touches, and comfortable seating, making it driver-focused yet refined. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice-activated navigation, and over-the-air updates make the Mustang as smart as it is fast. But how does it drive? The 2024 Mustang offers selectable drive modes, including normal, sport, track, and even drag strip mode, allowing you to adapt the car to any road or mood. Steering is precise, suspension feels planted, and the sound of the engine, pure adrenaline. Whether you're on the highway, a winding mountain road, or a drag strip, the Mustang feels right at home. Ford has equipped the Mustang with a host of safety features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision braking, and more. There are also performance-oriented features like launch control, line lock for drag racing, and a rev matching system on manual transmissions. It's muscle with modern tech to back it up. The 2024 Mustang is not just a continuation of a legend, it's a bold evolution. It delivers raw performance, refined technology, and timeless style, all in one package. If you're a fan of speed, sound, and soul, this car might just win your heart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next one. From the very first glance, the 2024 Mustang grabs attention. Sleek, low-slung, and muscular, this isn't just a car, it's a performance icon reimagined. The redesigned front grille, the piercing LED headlights, and that powerful hood, it all screams power. But the Mustang has never been just about looks. It's what's under the hood that defines it. In 2024, you get two main engine choices. First, the 2.3L EcoBoost, refined, turbocharged, and surprisingly efficient. But for purists, the crown jewel is the legendary 5.0L V8, a naturally aspirated monster pushing out 480 horsepower. Matched with a manual or 10-speed automatic, it offers pure driving freedom. Inside the cabin, it's all about the driver. A huge 13.2-inch touchscreen flows seamlessly into a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster. You control everything: drive modes, navigation, music at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates keep the Mustang modern, without losing its raw edge. Ford's engineers have fine-tuned the suspension and steering for better grip and sharper handling. Switch between drive modes like Sport, Track, and even Drag Strip. Each one transforms the car's personality. And with features like line lock and launch control, it's built for the thrill seekers. Safety hasn't taken a back seat either. With adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and blind spot alerts, the Mustang protects while it performs. But here's what makes the 2024 Mustang truly special: it doesn't try to copy anyone. It stays true to its roots while embracing the future. It's still loud, still powerful, still unapologetically Mustang. So if you're looking for a car that turns heads, roars like a beast, and makes every drive feel like a victory lap, the 2024 Mustang might just be calling your name.